Okay, in this video we're going to look at differentiating expressions when we have a fractional power. And I wanted to put this in a video on its own because I want you to take your time and don't rush into things when you are subtracting one from fractions. Fractions can always be a bit of a dodgy topic for us, so we'll just take our time. So if I have got x to the power 3/2, if I go to differentiate that, let me just give it a wee notation here. So I'll say that that is f of x equals x to the power 3/2. So f dashed x, I'm still doing the same thing. I'm multiplying by the old power. So that's going to be 3/2 x to the power of, and it's 3/2 take away 1. So it's 3/2 take away 2/2, which is 1/2. Okay. Now, again, if you are not okay with how this is done, then all you need to do is go to the side and do the sum itself. So work out 3/2 take away 1. Now, whenever you go to take away 1, 1 is the same as 2/2, is the same as 3/3, is the same as 4/4, and so on. So all you're doing is taking away the same number from top and bottom. So it's 3/2 take away 2/2, 2 over 2. When we subtract fractions, we keep the denominator the same, so that'll be over 2. So 3 take away 2 gives us the 1. Okay. Let's look at the next expression. So this time I've got my variable is in terms of y. So I'm going to say f of y equals 4y to the power 1/2. So let's go ahead and differentiate. So I'll say f dashed of y equals 4 times 1/2, which is 2, y to the power of, and then it's just 1/2 take away 1. Okay, so again, if you're not sure of that, go to the side, work it out. So 1/2 take away 1 is the same as saying 1/2 take away 2/2. 1 take away 2 is -1, so it's minus 1/2. Okay. And the last one, we have f of, and we'll call it m, equals 5m to the power of -2/3. So again, we'll go ahead and differentiate that. So f dashed m will be 5 times -2/3, which is -10/3, m to the power of, and then we have -2/3 take away 1. So yet again, I go to the side, I work out -2/3 take away 1. Now, like I said, 1 is the same as saying 3/3 because it's 3 divided by 3, which is 1. So it's -2/3 take away 3/3, which gives us -5/3. Okay. Eventually, we will get used to writing our numbers in with positive powers and with the radicals back in place. But for just now, let's just focus on being okay with differentiating basic expressions where the power is a fraction. Okay?